Good day everyone and welcome to sa Plasmunda 4th Annual Sports Festival 2025. Today, we gather once again to celebrate unity, camaraderie, and the joy of physical activities. This event is not just about competition, but it's about strengthening our bond, building friendships, and promoting health and active lifestyle within our community. To all our athletes and participants, play with heart. May this sports fest remind us that win or lose, that matter is the teamwork and sportsmanship. And fun we share as one family. To our organizers, supporters, thank you for the dedication for making this event possible. And to the wholesome Masulta in Kuwait family, may this day bring joy, bonding, and unforgettable memories. Once again, welcome to enjoy the game, celebrate together as one family. Magsugod.